As always, we like to leave you with some helpful tips to remember from the lesson today. Number one, moving averages are typically lagging indicators that are used to confirm trends. However, if you use them in a way that you're comfortable with, whether it's a 9-day and a 20-day moving average to kind of determine what you think the medium term will be, and by all means you can set those measurements and use them to try and actually predict the trend as opposed to keeping them as lagging indicators. Also, simple moving averages are not as volatile as exponential moving averages, as we clearly seen, and often simple moving averages are better for long positions, whereas exponential moving averages are better for short-term periods and trends. And again, over the long period, let's say of a year, SMAs and EMAs don't have much difference. Continuing along the lines with the helpful trends given the length of this presentation and how useful moving averages are, remember line crossovers are signals that you want to look for. Again, we've seen how they indicate when it's time to buy and when it's time to sell. Over the line, shorter averages moving over longer averages is a bullish sign, whereas shorter moving averages moving below longer moving averages is a bearish sign. And also, it's one of the most used and useful price indicators because having to identify that trend is quite important, and it just makes life a lot easier. So I strongly recommend that before buying any stock that you use some kind of moving average to analyze your charts. I'm sure that moving forward you will find the moving averages to be an indispensable tool along the same lines as relative strength indexes in MACDs, and especially when we can use them together, they become much more potent tools. So without saying too much more, given the amount of information you now are armed with to move forward and analyze those stocks with much more intensity and the ability to make more profit, we leave you today until our next stock analysis video. From Penny Stock Analysis and PennyStockAnalysis.com, invest wisely.